Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will get to know how to check Aadhaar and PAN link status. But before we start the video, we request you to like and share this video. And if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe the Virtual Express channel and press the bell icon to all to get new notifications of our channel. And do not skip any part of this video. We will show you the entire process to check whether your PAN card is linked with your Aadhaar card or not. So, let's get started. At first, open Google Chrome in your smartphone or PC. Now, type in the address bar www.incometax.gov.in. Then press Enter. Now, you will get the home page of the website. Then, scroll down at the Quick Links area. Here, you have to click on Link Aadhaar Status option. You will redirect to the Link Aadhaar Status page. As you can see, you have to input the following details in these two fields. In the first field, you have to enter your PAN card number. In the second field, you have to enter your Aadhaar card number. Now, finally, click on the View Link Aadhaar Status button. As you can see the pop-up message here, which shows the PAN card is already linked to given Aadhaar card. Thank you for watching our video. Through this process, you can check online whether your PAN card is linked with your Aadhaar card or not. So, we hope this video was helpful to you. And if you face any problem or have any question, please feel free to comment down below. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye and stay safe.